Let me just close this. Finally came, boys, finally came. Even though this is not everything that we're waiting for, we still have a few things, right? So thank goodness that this package has come, because I'm getting real over the stock lock on this MX-5. I'm mad over it, to be honest with you. All right, so here we have a package from one of my channel partners, Destroy or Die. Now, Destroy or Die make lock kits and angle kits. It's all bunch of really high quality drift Miata parts. They also make drift Sylvia parts, so check them out if you want some good parts. So I ordered kind of like the smallest amount of kit that you get the biggest buck for. So obviously there are like heaps of bundles that you can buy. It's nuts. You get 20 million different freaking like adjustments of suspension, camber, caster, Ackerman angle. Literally anything you can imagine, you can adjust it if you like get every component of this kit. I don't need to do that. I can't be bothered doing that. So I just bought the necessities to get some juicy front lock. Right, gonna unbox this bad boy. First of all, they had a big Black Friday sale, which is when this was ordered. They unfortunately sold out of the lower control arms, so I do have lower control arms that are coming sooner, which are gonna be done in like a couple months or something like that. I honestly have no idea. Right now, we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna show you what is inside this box, get my first reaction on, I guess, the quality of it. Being a mechanic for the last 6 years, I have installed a lot of suspension components, a lot of kits. I've done a lot of installs. So I've been told, you know, these guys are pretty good with their stuff, and they make really good components and whatnot. So yeah, let's see what they sent me. All right, so first off in the box we have, so this is something that I've been wanting to get for a while for this car. This is the NANB Hydro inline kit. So they've made some premium kind of brake lines so that you can run a Hydro easy AF. You know what I mean? Like when it comes to brake lines, like I've made brake lines before. Nah, bro. I'm not doing that ever again. Ooh. God damn, they got that like new line smell, bro. I didn't even know if that's a thing, but they got that new line smell. Super high quality, so nice. Here we go. Super high quality lines. Dual line kit with all the banjos and the bolts. So that's gonna make putting a Hydro in the car way easier than if I didn't have those. Second thing in the box, we have the NANB, the front brake lines, and they are supposedly extended to a point of which you run these, and when you have the lock kit and the car's in full lock, the lines are actually not gonna just be like full tension. So that eliminates the problem of your brake lines snapping mid-drift, which I think is a very important thing, you know what I mean? Okay, what else have we got in here? What is this? Ooh, goddamn, bro. Let me zoom in a little bit on that. Back. Damn, bro. Hi, guy. Also got a nice Destroy or Die t-shirt. I'm not gonna open. These little bad boys are what I think, yeah, these are rack spaces. 2 little spaces. One for each end of your rack, and that literally just gives you more angle. We're gonna have super angle after this motherfucker. But I could literally wear them as a ring. This Destroy or Die rings, man. Also, I'm very sorry about this inconsistent lighting. I haven't sorted the lighting in my new garage yet. Also, welcome to my new garage. So yeah. Now the big kachungus, the actual cool things. Okay. Let's get rid of this empty box. In here we have the Destroy or Die Super Knuckles. Ooh. Woohoo, goddamn. That's a lot of packing material. So yeah, here we have the Destroy or Die front Super Knuckle. Yeah, so this is supposed to do a lot of things. I'm gonna have to look it up on my phone and tell you exactly what it's supposed to do. This Super Knuckle allows 40 millimeters of roll center correction and eliminates bump steer, giving superb control and steering input. And it gives massive steering angle combined with the roll center correction, makes fast, high angle drifts precise and predictable, even for backwards entries. Fuck, if I could do a backwards entry, I think my life would be complete. Get the second one out. All right, so here we have these beautiful knuckles. Oh, they're so nice. They're super solid. Super solid. Ooh, super nice, super crisp. I love your work. So yeah, guys, that is everything that's in the box. Unfortunately, no lower control arms, but they will be coming in the next month, hopefully, so that we can get them in. Once I've got them, I'm gonna be doing a full install video, so I'm gonna show you how to install this type of stuff, kind of step by step, hopefully. And then we're gonna do a comparison, a lock to lock comparison, and just like my thoughts drifting in the car. I'm gonna sign off now because I'm sweating so much balls right now. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.